Let's dive into division 304 divided by 2. Hey math adventurers! If you're loving these cool math videos, give this one a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome adventures with Let's Stud. Alright, let's start dividing 304 by 2. First up, we look at the first digit of 304, which is 3. We're going to use the first digit 3 as our partial, no digits to carry down this time. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2, so we write 2 under the 3. Now we subtract 3 minus 2 equals 1, that's our remainder for this step. Great job, you're doing awesome. We have a remainder of 1, now let's bring down the next digit 0 to make 10. Okay, we have a remainder of 1 and we brought down the next digit 0 to make 10. Look at that, we have 10. We're using the 1 from the previous step and the new digit 0 to make our new partial 10. How many times does 2 go into 10? Think of your 2 times tables, it's 5 times. Let's multiply to be sure. 5 times 2 equals 10, we write 10 below our partial. Time to subtract. 10 minus 10 equals 0, easy peasy. Fantastic work, you're crushing this. We have a remainder of 0, let's bring down the last digit 4 to make our next partial. We've got 0 as our remainder and we just brought down the 4, our new partial is 4. We're using the remainder 0 and the new digit 4 to make our partial 4. How many times does 2 fit into 4? You got it, it's 2 times. Let's check our multiplication. 2 times 2 is 4, perfect. Subtracting now, 4 minus 4 equals 0, we're almost done. You're doing an amazing job, keep that energy up. And that's it, we've used all the digits and our remainder is 0, we found our answer. So 304 divided by 2 is 152. We just learned how to divide 304 by 2 step by step. Remember, every long division problem is like a puzzle, and you've got the skills to solve it. Great job, math stars. Keep practicing and you'll be a long division whiz in no time. Click here for more fun math videos on Let's Stud.